What is FPD? Any dental prosthesis that is looped, screwed or mechanically attached or otherwise securely retained to natural teeth, tooth roots, or dental implant abutments that furnish the primary support for the dental prosthesis and restoring teeth in partially edentulous arch. It cannot be removed by the patient. GPT-09. Crown. An artificial replacement that restores missing tooth structure by surrounding part or all of the remaining structure with a material such as cast metal alloy, metal ceramic, resin, or a combination of materials. GPT-9. Abutment. A tooth, a portion of a tooth, or that portion of a dental implant that serves to support or retain a prosthesis. Primary. Secondary. Investigations. Radiograph. Periodontal probing. Mobility. Diagnostic cast. Occlusion. Soft tissue evaluation. Selection of abutment tooth. Vital. Endodontically treated tooth which is asymptomatic with radiographic evidence of good seal and complete obturation. Sound surviving coronal tooth structure to ensure longevity. If coronal tooth structure is lost gained by dowel core, pin retained amalgam or composite resin core, never in pulp cap teeth. Evaluation of root and supporting tissues. Crown, root ratio, root configuration, periodontal ligament area, crown, root. It is the physical relationship between the portions of the tooth not within the alveolar bone, as determined by a radiograph, compared with the portion of the tooth. Root configuration. Multi-rooted posterior teeth with widely separated roots offer better support than conical or fused roots. A well-aligned tooth will provide better support. Roots that are broader buccolingually than mesiodistally are preferable to round in cross-section. A single-rooted tooth with irregular configuration or some curvature in the apical third is preferable. Condition of supporting tissues. Must be healthy, free from inflammation, no mobility. Anti in 1926. The combined perismental area of the abutment teeth supporting a FPD should be equal to or greater in perismental area than the tooth or teeth to be replaced. GPT-9.